Hello everybody, hope everybody's having a good day and a good week so far, and welcome to my channel, guys. And yes, I have some more cheap Amazon jewelry. I just got these a few minutes ago, actually, in the mail. This is what the one pair came in, a nice little carrying case. And this is what the other one came in. It was very well packaged, actually. But I'm definitely going to go throw this out, though. But I am definitely going to be using this. I think it's a great case for, like, travel and everything. I really like this case, actually. They were both very well packaged and everything, if you can see. I got a whole bunch of more of some earrings, stud earrings. So I got plenty of earrings for right now. They're super cute. They were all under $5 and plus shipping. So these were super cheap and super affordable. If you guys like my videos, please like, sub, and comment. Remember to hit that notification bell. If you don't, you never know when I upload. And check out my YouTube shorts. I am on there mostly, and thank you to everybody that subbed me. I cannot believe it. I'm at 413. I cannot believe that. Thank you so much, everybody, for subbing me, liking me, and watching my videos. That means so much to me. But anyways, thank you for watching, and have a great day, guys.